Right now, federal authorities are working to gain access to Devin Kelly's phone. We wanted to know just when and to what extent authorities have the power to take your phone for information.
A constitutional amendment comes into play. Channel 5's Daisy Martinez is in the Cameron County newsroom.
Due to all the personal information we now carry on our phones, they are now protected by the Fourth Amendment. That means law enforcement agencies need a warrant to look through your phone. Getting arrested doesn't mean law enforcement officials have the right to your privacy, at least not on the spot. Attorney Jonathan Gracia tells us the Fourth Amendment, which pertains to illegal searches and seizures, protects your privacy at home, your vehicle, and most recently, your cell phone.
Most individuals keep a lot of private information that they don't want the general public from knowing on their phones, and the court has extended that right so that that information can be protected.
Gracia says the Court of Appeals made this ruling because too many law enforcement officials were confiscating phones during bookings and looking through them for information that didn't pertain to the case. Gracia, also a justice of the peace, says law enforcement now must secure a warrant signed by a judge before they can look through your phone, and even then, it can only be if it pertains to your arrest or case.
And it's up to the judge whether or not they're going to accept it. But it has to pertain once again to the arrest or to an ongoing investigation. It can't just be based off of a hunch.
If a person gives permission for law enforcement to search their home, vehicle, or cell phone, the Fourth Amendment goes out the window. Gracia also says things could change at international checkpoints since the objective there is to secure the nation.
Ports of entry or airports, you actually have a less your rights are curtailed at those checkpoints. If you look suspicious for any matter, they could just pull you over into a secondary inspection and keep you there until they find that you're no longer suspicious.
Gracia says people have rights when it comes to protecting information on their phone and should exercise them. Judge Gracia tells us the time it takes to secure a warrant may vary depending on the circumstance and on the judge. From the Cameron County Newsroom, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at 6.